At Liberty General Insurance, we care about the convenience of our garage officials as much as we care for our customers. That's why we have developed an online motor claims registration process which is quick and hassle-free. To register claims on our garage portal or Liberty General Insurance website, follow these easy steps. Log in to the Liberty General Insurance garage portal using your ID and password. If you face any login related issues, then please reach out to our claim officer for assistance. From the available options on the screen, select Claim Intimation. After entering the customer policy, click on Search and you will be able to view all the relevant details on the screen. Now, fill in all the accident related details and click on Register Claim. That's it. In just a few seconds, the claim number will be generated on the screen and will also be shared via SMS on the phone number provided by you and the customer. If you prefer registering a claim through the Liberty General Insurance website, then that is quite simple as well. Visit the Garage Claims Registration page on the Liberty General Insurance website. By entering the customer policy number and clicking on the search option, you will be able to view all the relevant customer details. Now, enter customer contact details such as email ID and phone number. To register the claim, fill in all the details regarding the accident and submit. Note down the claim number that appears on the screen. It will also be shared via SMS on the phone number provided by you and the customer. So you see, without having to wait in long IVR queues, you can now register unlimited claims easily as per your convenience.